Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and set the ignition to OFF before you begin. Turn the engine off and wait 30 seconds so systems can power down and the oil light sequence resets. Sit in the driver's seat and have the owner's manual and the instrument cluster user menu ready for reference. Make sure the dash shows no remaining error wreaths. If a service is overdue like an oil change, complete the service first. Confirm you have basic info, 2019 Jetta, engine type, and approximate oil capacity like 5.0 liters for planning. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine to access the instrument cluster menu. Use the left steering wheel arrow and OK buttons to open the vehicle info menu, then navigate to service or oil reset. This applies to the 2019 Jetta cluster. Highlight the oil or service interval line and press OK. When prompted, select Reset Oil and confirm by pressing and holding the OK button for 10 seconds until the message clears and the countdown finishes. Wait for the display to show the Reset Confirmed message before turning ignition off. If the direct menu reset fails, cycle ignition OFF, wait 10 seconds, and retry the instrument cluster reset procedure exactly as before. As an alternative, use an OBD2 scanner with service reset capability or a VCDS tool to clear oil service codes and reset the maintenance interval for the 2019 Jetta. Always verify oil level and quality after servicing. Top up to the correct level, typically around 5.0 liters depending on engine. After completing the reset, drive for 10 minutes and recheck the dash to verify the oil service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.